Welcome to this tutorial in which we will be making this part. So let's start. First of all, select File, select New, select this part, click OK. The SOLIDWORKS environment will be opened. Select here plain white, this is optional. Select front plane, click on Sketch. After that, make a center rectangle here at the center. Now go to Smart Dimensions and set the dimension of this line as 20 meter and set this horizontal line dimension as 100 mm. Zoom out. Okay, so now go to features and select extruded boss and extrude it up to 160 millimeter. Select here blind instead of mid plane. After that, click OK, and here we have our 3D object. Let's assign some color. It looks better. Click OK. Now select this face, click on sketch and select line. Make line like this, then a horizontal line, then a vertical line, and after that make a horizontal line, connect these edges to complete the sketch. This is blue now. Okay, so go to smart dimension and set the distance between these 2 points as 24 millimeter. Okay, and set the length of this line as 32 millimeter and the height of this line as 10 millimeter. Now go to features, select extruded cut and select this through all. Okay, after that select this corner rectangle and make a rectangle here. Select smart dimension and make this as 12 by 12. This is 12 and this side is also 12 millimeter. Now go to feature, select extruded cut and select through all. Let me show you how it's gonna look. Click OK. And now we have to make the similar slot on the other side, so we will use mirror. Select mirror and for mirror face select this right plane. We will mirror about this, and for feature select this extruded cut and click OK. Here we have our mirrored feature. Select this face, click on sketch and make a corner rectangle from here to here. Go to smart dimension and set the length of this rectangle as 60. This length 60 millimeter. After that go to features and select extruded boss and extrude it up to 60 mm. Click here blind first and 60 mm. Click OK. Okay, so now go to fillet. Select fillet option. Select this last one, full round fillet. Here we need to specify 3 faces. The one, this is the second one, and the third one. And we will be having a round fillet. Okay, so to improve the quality of the image, click here on settings, go here document properties and image quality and maximize this one. After that click enter. Now it's time to make a circle here, so go to sketch and try to make a circle here. It's not visible. Okay, click escape button. We will be making a center line here. Let's make a center line from here to here. Okay, so now select the circle and find the center point and then make a circle. After that, set the diameter of this circle as 30 millimeter. Now go to features, select extruded cut, select through all for the direction one, this one, through all, and click OK. So we are left with one more feature here. Select rib, expand this bar, and we will select this plane, right plane. Okay, so after that, select here line and make a line like this until the dotted line appears, and the dotted line appeared. Click OK. Click OK here. Now the dotted line has been appeared. Okay, it means it is the tangent. Okay, so go to features here, select rib, and for thickness I am specifying here 12 millimeter. Let me show you. After that, click OK, and the rib has been created. If you find this tutorial helpful, then please hit the subscribe button and the like button as well. Thank you.